In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Outlook Calendar with Google Calendar. By the end, you'll have your Outlook events showing up in Google Calendar using a simple, reliable method. This creates a one-way sync. You'll manage events in Outlook, and they'll appear in Google Calendar automatically after periodic updates. Start by opening your browser and searching for Outlook, then head to Outlook on the web and sign in. Once you're in your mailbox, look to the top right corner and click the Settings gear icon. In the panel that opens, go to the Calendar settings. If you see an option to open all settings, choose that, then navigate to Calendar and select Shared Calendars. Here, find the section called Publish a Calendar. Choose the specific Outlook calendar you want to sync. This might be your default calendar or another one you use. For permission, select. Can view all details, so your event titles, times, and descriptions will be visible in Google Calendar. Then click Publish. You'll see two links appear. Copy the ICS link, not the HTML link. The ICS link is the subscription feed that Google Calendar understands. The HTML link is just a web page view and won't sync. Treat the ICS link like a private address. Anyone with it can see the calendar details you chose to publish. If you ever need to revoke access, you can return here and stop publishing or regenerate the link. Next, open Google Calendar in a new tab. On the left side, find Other Calendars, click the plus icon, and choose from URL. Paste the ICS link you copied into the field, then click Add Calendar. Google will subscribe to that feed and place the Outlook calendar under Other Calendars. You should see your Outlook events appear shortly. Keep in mind, this is read only in Google Calendar. Edit events in Outlook, and Google will update periodically. It's normal if changes don't show up instantly. A couple of helpful tips. After the calendar is added, you can change its color and name in Google Calendar to keep things organized. Make sure your time zone is correct in both Outlook and Google to avoid shifted events. If you don't see the Publish option in Outlook, your organization may have disabled external sharing. You might need admin approval. And if you only see free busy info in Google, double-check that you selected Can View All Details when publishing. That's it. You've connected Outlook to Google Calendar with an ICS subscription, keeping your schedules aligned with minimal effort.